Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve emulated on the application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated on the application of Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Roblox and you can click here. After that you'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your app or can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.